A dry and frequent cough is an extremely unpleasant problem, which interferes with sleep, quiet work and rest, and even when you eat and drink. This problem is especially relevant now, in a cold autumn period. Besides, most pharmaceutical products are useless or help, but too slowly. However, there's an excellent remedy that you can make yourself at home. This remedy will save you and relieve your paroxysmal dry cough in the shortest period of time. To prepare this magic remedy, you will need to boil 200 ml of milk. Then mash half of the banana thoroughly with a fork and mix the resulting puree with 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Next, you need to add boiled milk to the resulting mixture and stir. The drink is almost ready. After cooling this drink, you must add 1 teaspoon of honey. Now your homemade remedy is ready to be used. Take 1 glass of this warm drink with honey before bed. The result will not keep you waiting. Already at night, you will sleep more calmly as the cough will become less frequent. And in the morning, you will feel that the phlegm has begun to recede and the cough is no longer dry. If you use this drink for several days, then you will get rid of annoying cough for the shortest period. And next time you will already know that there's such homemade and delicious cough medicine and forget about pharmacy drugs at all. Therefore, do not rush to the pharmacy when dry cough appears. Try to cook this medicine instead and you will see the result.